Some piebald features.
Comes another baby. Save some apples for the other baby. Right there.
Is there something wrong with its eye? There's something wrong with that one's eye.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's got a...
Yeah, it's got a bad eye over there.
Yeah, that one's got something going on with its eye.
It's like a tree in there, something running through the woods.
Yeah. Feed the other baby.
There's one of the injured ones.
Huh?
You got apples for her?
She's got a horn or something stuck in her eye.
Oh.
Probably a tree limb.
I know, I told you.
What?
Look, crossing the road, Rob. There's a lot of traffic. It's eating out of his hand.
There comes another one. Little skinny thing. What's wrong with you? Oh, look at them. They're so cute. Hey, come here. Where's the...
Can you see what it is? Something growing on her eye?
Looks like something stuck in her eye.
Is something growing on it?
I can still see it. It's just something up above her eye. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Weird.
Something growing over it.
Two things right there. One right underneath.
Must be like a bacteria or something. Like growing over.
No, it's growing through it. See it?
Wonder if it's a buck and that's a horn. That's just weird in this place. You know?
It scared me.